So the hood struts of my Camry are old and they are not holding the hood up, so I need to replace them. This is what the hood is doing permanently. You can use anything to prop the hood permanently so that it doesn't fall. This is what the existing strut looks like. I'll just do a close-up and show you how it is looking like now from the side which is on the hood and the side which is on the body. So this one is straight. This one is a little bent on this side. So we have to make sure that the new ones are also installed like this. And note down the position, how it looks like. The rod is on the upper side and the body of the strut is on the lower side. These metallic pins, they need to be pried off using a screwdriver from here, and then it can be taken off. I'll show you how. So these struts are gas charged and they will expand fully when you release it from this side. So make sure this is the rod. So the instructions say that you should cut this. Let's get a cutter to do this. So let's cut it from this side. So this has extended fully. Now do the other one also. So the struts that I have gotten, they have the bent head on the lower side, whereas the straight head is on the upper side. So since they are screwed on, I'll just remove this like this and put it on this side, and this one will go on the other side. Let me do that. So I'm going to remove this one. And then this one. It's just hand tightened. This one goes here. And the other one goes on the bottom side like this. Pin or just loosen it by inserting a screwdriver in there and then pushing it. It should come off like this. Same thing on the other side. This locking pin and it comes off. Insert the new one. Let's see if it can just be snapped on without removing the lock. Yes, it can be. And moving on to the top one. Done. This side is done. Going to the next side to repeat the same. Both struts have been replaced. Let's see the result. Good. All it took was a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching.